In the history of marketing, certain individuals stand out whose ideas and practices changed approaches to product promotion and brand building. Their contributions can be divided into two groups: innovative practitioners and strategic theorists. These people understood that a brand is not just a product, it's a way to build long-term relationships with consumers. In the early 1900s, marketing focused on the product. Companies like Levi Strauss and Henry Ford centered their attention on their goods, striving to produce them in large quantities and at affordable prices. Levi Strauss added copper rivets to jeans for gold miners, creating the world's first durable denim. By 1979, Levi's reached $2 billion in revenue. Innovative practitioner Carl Fabergé, creator of surprise eggs for the imperial family, managed artisans, turning craftsmanship into a symbol of luxury. The surviving 45 eggs today are worth a fortune. Strategic theorist John Caples, a pioneer of copywriting. His 1925 headline, "They laughed when I sat down at the piano," doubled sales for piano playing courses, proving the power of appealing to emotions. From the 1950s to the 1980s, the advertising era began. Great minds turned marketing into the art of persuasion. Advertising became a powerful tool for influencing mass consciousness, and brands began building their unique images. Innovative practitioner Sergio Zyman relaunched the Coca-Cola brand after the new Coke failure in 1985, bringing back the original recipe and launching the Always Coca-Cola campaign. Sales grew by 50% over 5 years. Zyman's key quote, "The consumer's attitude towards a brand is 100% dependent on the company's employees." Howard Schultz, Starbucks, turned an unprofitable coffee chain into a global brand through the atmosphere of the Italian coffee ritual. He banned reheating food in cafes to preserve the coffee aroma and doubled spending on employee health insurance. Strategic theorist David Ogilvy, founder of Ogilvy and Mather, created advertising campaigns for Rolls-Royce. At 60 miles an hour, the loudest noise comes from the electric clock. And Dove, author of the principle, "The consumer isn't a moron, she is your wife." From the 1990s to the 2020s, marketing took a step towards customer centricity. Philip Kotler and Seth Godin became leaders in this field, focusing on the consumer and digital technologies. Their ideas confirmed that marketing is not just sales, but the art of influencing choice by creating trust, emotions, and habits. Strategic theorist and architect of the marketing system, Philip Kotler, developed the 4P concept: product, price, place, promotion, and marketing 5.0, shifting the focus from sales to social responsibility and digital technologies. Author of books, including Marketing Management. Seth Godin coined the terms purple cow, product uniqueness, and viral marketing. His book, Permission Marketing, changed the approach to email communications. Innovative practitioner Patrick Doyle, Domino's Pizza, publicly acknowledged the low quality of the pizza in 2010, using negative reviews in advertising. "The crust tastes like cardboard." After changing the recipe, sales grew by 14% in a quarter. His principle: when you can't say anything, tell the truth. The world is changing rapidly. In the era of artificial intelligence and high technology, marketing continues to advance by leaps and bounds towards the consumer. However, despite all the innovations, the essence of marketing remains unchanged. A brand is a contract between the company and the consumer. When we choose a product or service, we trust the brand. Companies that understand that a brand is more than just a product are able to build long-term relationships with consumers, and this is the main goal of any business. Welcome to the world of digital marketing with the digital studio Dobro Code. We are ready to grow and develop with you, helping your brand move forward and reach new heights. Let's create video content from scratch together that exceeds expectations and captures your audience's attention. Contact us, and we'll begin this exciting journey to success.